All right, when you're doing this kind of metal outlet into your plywood, you're gonna wanna trace it out, right? The box. And then you're gonna realize after you trace it that there's some other objects in the way, like this screw here, right here, and there's one on the other side. Okay, and then you got these little pieces here, the middle tab, this one right there, and you got the little screw behind it. So what I'm doing is I marked all that. There's the tab and there's the screw down there. So you want to take, I think I'm using this is a 3/8 of an inch drill bit. You want to drill this corner where the screw is, that corner where the screw is, one right here a little bit in from the tab, because that tab only sticks out just a little bit. You only have to go in just a hair, but that screw here kind of sticks out right there. So you got to eliminate all those spots before you use your oscillating tool. It's just a lot easier to drill into solid wood. If you cut it out and then you try, you can't drill the hole after you cut it out. And then I'll do another one at the bottom. All right, and then I'll do another one here where the tab's at for that screw head. All right, so there's the 4 holes that you need to get done before you oscillate. And then I'll take my oscillating tool and I'll cut the bottom, the sides, all the way around, and then we'll see how that fits. All right, after you do your cutout, you should end up something like that. I almost lost it there. All right, so let's see if this thing fits in there. And of course, knowing me, I always cut as tight as I can, so of course it doesn't fit on the first go. Still needs to go a little bit taller on the cut. A little fine tuning with the drill bit. If you see that you're not wide enough, just get your drill bit in there. You can kind of get it at an angle to make these little grooves a little wider if you need to. And then after a little bit of finesse, should fit right in there. Now you can put your screws here, 2 on this side and 2 on that side. There we go, there's the outlet installed. Pretty straight. And I'm finishing up this one. This one I'm probably gonna have a USB on the side. Same concept as the other side. All right, just finished the outlets. I got the GFIC right here that protects both of these outlets. I'll reset it here, okay? And just to show you, I'll plug this in. You see it's green, that means it's correct. And if I hit the reset, it turns off power over there. Reset this one again. I'll check the other side. Plug this one in. And you see it's green. And this one runs off Wi-Fi. It's Wi-Fi activated, but it'll also short out as well. So you only need one GFIC to protect 2 outlets on this.